Do you need the services of a reliable modern bank in Somalia? Amal Bank is the only bank that has branches in every parts of Somalia. Amal Bank conducts business according to Islamic Sharia and is fully compliant. It is free to deposit or withdraw your money anywhere in the country. There is no monthly or yearly fees. We offer free accounts and services. Amal has its operating license from the Central Bank of Somalia. Amal offers its customers halal investment opportunities without any down payments. It is easier than you think to open an account with Amal Bank. Just visit your nearest Amal Bank office. Show your ID or passport to the bank officials. Living abroad? No problem. Get in touch with us to open an account. So what are you waiting for? Get your free account with Somalia's most appreciated bank.